What's up, you guys? It's your Skinny Boy Randy. Hope you're having a great growing day. Look, you guys, I had to give you an update. You know I said I'm only going to do 1 or 2 videos. Y'all know how I do. Don't even trip. Y'all know how I do. Look. Now, these are the beets. Miss Cheryl, look at these. They were leaning over yesterday, you guys, and I'm letting my frame focus. Thanks to my viewers and my subscribers. I want you guys to see it crystal clear. They were laying over yesterday, which means the roots like the soil, y'all. Let me spin this around. Y'all, they roots. These are my beets. These are my organic beets, you guys. Yes, remember I had them in these little cups? And I told you they weren't doing good, y'all. I couldn't take that home to mama. Can't take that home to mama. But look now, they sprouted right back up, Miss Cheryl. I'm sorry, yeah, I'm talking to the world, not just Miss Cheryl. I love Cheryl Tally Moss, you guys. Check her channel out, Cheryl Tally Moss. Cheryl's organic food for us. Also, check out all the other gardeners, like in my gardener. You know, you want to check out the Nikki gardener, and he's not Nikki. Check out Callie Kim. Check out California Gardening. Check out the Rustic Garden. Check out you guys know I love it. I love it. Alabama Gardener. Man, you guys, look, the beets have taken to the soil within 24 hours. I'm sorry, you guys, I'm probably spending a lot of time on this, but yeah, we transplanted these yesterday. And if you follow the channel, you know what I'm talking about. When I put these in the ground yesterday, I was so worried. I went into surgery. We had to do surgery on these, though. We had to do surgery. It took some skillful planning. And look at them. They sprouting up like they came up in this bed. Look at it. Look at it. Woo! She's standing up like the Statue of Liberty. That's right. Spread your wings. Fly! Fly! Y'all know if I can feel it. I love you guys. Just want to let you know, the beets are doing good. We transplanted them, and the surgery went well. Peace out. I'll keep you up to date. I'll give you a chart. All right? I don't even know how to make a chart about doctoring. I love you guys. This is Skinny Boy Randy. Remember, live, love, laugh, grow stuff, and eat it.